This male and thousands of others have spent 17 years deep underground. They are called periodical cicadas, and each is on a critical mission to secure the next generation. A tall tree, the ideal place to make a dramatic transformation. Breaking free from the husk of his old body, he unfurls new wings, and his adult form is revealed ahead of the next stage of the mission. With many males for every female, it isn't straightforward. Perhaps three's a crowd. Maybe she's the one. Vibrating his body like a tiny violin, he waits for a special signal from her. And there it is. A snap of her wings that shows his charms have won her over. After 17 years of waiting, a brief encounter is all it takes to fertilize her 500 eggs. For the males, adult life is very short. After just a month, it's all over. Now their bodies will nourish the soil for the next generation. A few weeks later, the young will drop to the ground and burrow deep into the earth. When they emerge, in 17 years' time, who knows what they'll find?